Hi guys, Ross here, London Day Trader, and I thought I would quickly run through a few trades that I did today. Today is Monday, the 11th of January 2021. It was an interesting market at the beginning, very bullish, but let's dive in and see what I got up to. So let's have a quick look. Heading over to the charts. So I'm currently in a trade right now, but we'll go back to that in a second. Let's have a look. Twitter, NIO. I'll tell you what. So we started off with NIO this morning. So a bit much here. Come back in. Ooh, try again. It's been a bit juddery today. Nearly there, nearly there, nearly there, nearly there. He says. Right, there we go. So at the beginning, bell opening 9:30. The NIO dropped at the open. However, it very quickly created a bottom, came back up, and my trade of for NIO here was a break of the high of the day. A couple of minutes in, took that trade. We pushed up. I had another line here, another level, because there was a little bit of consolidation in the pre-market, and that seemed to be quite a level of resistance. So I was looking for it to break that. If it didn't break that, I was going to get out the trade. But it did. It went past that, so I actually added into the trade at that stage. Pushed it up to this point here. Now my ultimate aim was a dollar level, and I wanted 67. It hit 66.99, and I clicked my hotkey to take essentially all out. But for some reason it didn't take, and I didn't take my profit margin there. So it dropped, and it dropped quite quickly down. So actually, my thought process was it could possibly jump back up. So I have already took profit at this stage here, which was around the 66.25 mark. I think I hit about 1R, 1R or 1.5R with that move. So I just stopped out at break even, essentially, at my next level. So it's a good start to the day, 1.5 up. And then we traded, what do we trade next? I think it may have been plug. If I can bring plug over, there we go. So we've made a high, a lower low, and we started pushing up past the high and a new higher high. Now I look at certain levels on a chart, and this level here, 51.10, which is also known as the S3 pivot level. I look at this level, and because we'd pushed past, I felt we were possibly going to consolidate. I didn't expect it to go straight up, and in fact, as it did, it could push down, but this is usually a level that it can consolidate at. So I went in, and I went in with luckily a relatively large stop, to be honest, because my thought process initially was to put it around here, but actually I decided against that and give myself a little bit of extra room and put it at the bottom of this candle. And as you can see here, if I just move my cursor here, that was very close to stopping me out, but it didn't stop me out. And then of course it rallied up to the S3, created a lovely little hammer, pushed up. So next, my profit target was S1. Took out S1. We've dropped. We've come back up to S1, and now by the size of the candles and a little bit of volume increase here, if I just push up with the cursor, there's a little bit of increase of volume here. I was concerned that we might be getting to the top of this move, so I took all out at that stage. So again, we've got another, I think we've got another 1R move there, and then another little trade we did on Twitter today. So we a break of the high of day trade again, which was set at 47.25 right at the open. It came down, bounced, came back up to that level. Took the trade. Again, I'll be honest, I'm lucky because sometimes I can be quite tight with my stops. But I took it on the bottom of the third candle below. And again, that has helped me because of course it has dropped, but not quite low enough. I mean, we are talking only a few cents here. It's come back up, and this was always my ultimate target, S4, because S4 on the pivot levels can actually be a selling point. So my ultimate aim we got to. I took a partial in case we smashed through it, but because we dithered a little, I took the rest out at this stage here. And again, I think I got another R move. Have a look. Yeah, another R move out of that. So all in all, good trading day. 3R move, 3R day. And there we go. So I hope that's been of some help to you guys. If you've got any questions, of course, throw them in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll try and do this as often as I can, time permitting. But yeah, let's see where we go from here. Keep it real, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.